Some morning you wake up, look outside, and realize staying inside would be a waste. So I thought, why not see this place from a completely different point of view? And just like that, we were off. At first, everything looked familiar: the houses, the trees, the road, the water. But the higher I went, the more the world started disappearing until there was nothing left but clouds. And when this happened, for a moment, it didn't even feel real. Down there was the road we came from. Up here, I felt like another world. No traffic, no noise, no rush, just clouds beneath me and mountains ahead. And every few seconds, the clouds would open up, most like they were giving me a small window back to earth. Then I saw this water cutting its way through the mountains, disappearing somewhere beyond what I could see. And honestly, these are the moments I bought a drone for. But eventually, every journey above the cloud has to come back down. So I turned around and headed home. Slowly, the colors came back: the mountains, the water, the road. Everything that disappeared on the way up was waiting underneath. And a few minutes later, I was right back where this little journey started. Same motel, same lake, same mountains. But somehow, after seeing it all from up there, it didn't look quite the same anymore. Sometimes you don't need to travel further, you just need a different perspective.